This is just a quick overview on the cinch straps. You have one end with a hook and the other end just has a knot on the end. If I pull that in with the knot, it's going to take out the slack on the side with the hook. I won't be able to pull that hook back away from me. So that's to release the tension on the hook side. I have to depress that black button and pull that hook away. When we attach it to the leg or to the wheelchair, we want to attach it right above where the leg rest would be. So you'll see that kind of double-deckered pinned mounting brackets. You're going to go on the top of the two, and then you're going to pull out the tension there. That's going to keep the wheelchair from sliding back. It's going to keep the wheelchair from tipping back. So this is very important when you're using it for the leg press function. To release it, you just press that black button, introduce that tension, and that hook will slide out. When I'm not using the hooks, I just like to store them on the foot plate of the leg press. Just kind of keeps it off the ground too. It's kind of nice.